nature. This is more like it. I love the sun. The angel of the sun. Powerful sun. The sun energizes me and cleanses me and strengthens me, and it helps me feel happy, helps me feel like me, like the core of my true self. Beautiful, beautiful sun, golden sun. Angels of the earth, the elements, earth, air, fire, water, love. I'm in Hyde Park. This is peaceful, this is beautiful, this is healing. Energy of the earth, the air, fire of the sun. The moisture from the grass. It's like everything is with you. And even when you feel alone, you're never really alone. Because of all the power of all this nature spirit. Nature spirit is love. And we've got the green grass. Breathe in the green, healing green colour. It's beautiful. Feel the healing energies come upwards from the earth, upwards from below your feet, and up, spiral up through you. Some people concentrate a lot on wanting to bring like energies downwards into them, but I'm a person who feels more like me if energies come upwards, spiral upwards through me. And the best one is the gold light, part of my true essence of being. This is so beautiful. So many beautiful things here on earth. People focus a lot on all the stress, horrible things and that, but sometimes you can like notice, if you just stop and listen to the sound of the wind, of the breeze floating through the leaves, and the sound it makes rustling the leaves almost sounds like the ocean waves lapping upon a beautiful beach. So in a way, even though I'm nowhere near a beach, I'm in Hyde Park, London, the air moving through the leaves reminds me of the sea, and I love the sea. Okay, but you think I sound like a right hippie, but I'm not like a la 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 hippie or anything. I'm just me, and I feel the love of the earth. So you don't really have to be any particular type of person or try to be a hippie or anything. You know, you could be like, I don't know, a businessman in a suit or something, and still like feel the spirits of nature. and how beautiful the earth is. I love you, Earth. Beautiful, beautiful big tree. Relaxation. See how amazing this tree is. Precious, precious, precious Mother Earth. Okay, I'm now signing out and I'll make my way back to Notting Hill and enjoy the rest of the peace and the beauty in this amazing park and enjoy the rest of the sun.